This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
Hello students, welcome to AKSIAS. In this session, I wanted to talk to you about how to prepare for UPSC along with the pandemic. Most of the students are confused. First of all, the second wave has hit almost all the families very badly. Earlier, in first wave, most of the people heard someone had got COVID and that was their scenario. But this time, their close family members are affected, and that has made the students to divert. Trust me, guys, not only students, faculties, people who are preparing, business people, everyone are equally affected during this pandemic. Given this particular scenario, I keep getting calls from students across country where they're not aware about how exactly they need to prepare and where to start and where to stop. Every day I receive calls from students. After talking to them, they call me back after another 4 or 5 days until they are not able to pick up. The reason being, every day you are getting demotivated by the things that are happening in your surroundings. If it was somewhere else, I could have told you stop watching news and focus on your work. But today, it is not the news, it is someone whom you are aware. Because of all these stuff, students are completely diverted. And I completely agree with you that it is very, very difficult for you to focus during this particular time. But guys, at the end, every day and every minute matters when you are in a race. I'm guiding thousands of students. Personally, I'm guiding hundreds of students. When we look at a broader level, when I look at thousands of students, I definitely feel there is more confusion in the market. But when I look at the personal mentorship that I'm doing to hundreds of students, there are few people who are really strong and consistent. But there are some people who have become weak. It is not that only those people who are affected are weak, even those people who are strong are also affected. But what has not affected them is their focus on their goals. There are people who fall down along with the problem, but there are people who stand up when there is a problem. Whether it is COVID or whether it is your career, it is survival of the fittest. Today, we are in that scenario where, when it comes to helping others, you need to think of helping everyone by providing whatever you have in your capacity. But when it is about reaching your goal, when it is about surviving from the pandemic, your immunity matters. With respect to your career, your strength and determination matters. Some students whom I have seen, they have made this as the beautiful opportunity. I just want to tell you about one particular student. He lost his job due to pandemic, and before the pandemic he was taking coaching and he had completed coaching. He wanted to continue this with his work, but unfortunately he lost the job. See, he had just completed his coaching, he had not done revision, he had not completed his mains, but he had clarity of when he was going to do. So he was going slow along with his work. Now, as soon as he lost the job, for 2 days he felt sad that he lost his source of income. Rather than sitting idle and thinking about it, he told me, "Sir, I want to utilize this time and ensure my preparation is perfect. So, once I get a job and once I start working, then I would reduce this amount of time in preparation. Moreover, I want to keep myself ready so that whenever there is an exam, I am in a position to give." So what he did, he revised all the standard books. Now he is also completing his optional. He is writing his mains test series, and he is ready to write the exam in October, or if there is third wave and if it is postponed. He says, "Sir, if there is third wave and if it postpones, if I get enough time, I will ensure that I will crack this exam in this attempt itself. The reason being, my preparation would be perfect by then." Winners use every opportunity for their growth. Losers see every situation negatively and they collapse. It is up to you whether you need to be victorious or you need to be a failure. This time we have a very big problem in front of us to blame. We all can sit and blame easily. Yes, pandemic was responsible for my defeat. I had psychological trauma. I could not come out of it. We can give enough reasons for our failures. Without blaming ourselves, we can. But can we give even one reason for our own success? What is the use of a failure? Yes, during pandemic, it is important for us to survive. But at the same time, what if we survive? What will we do? I'm not asking you to go out, roam and spread the pandemic. I'm not asking you to go out, work and create problem for you and your family. I'm just asking you, focus on your preparation. Many people say, "Sir, at home I'm not able to focus. If I come out, I'll focus." Because we have enough reasons. At home you have a family, you have food, everything is there, but I'm distracted. People who come out, they have many other things to get distracted equally. Make your personal space more comfortable and ensure you're dedicated enough to work. 100 days, I made a video before how to crack this exam in next 100 days. Now you have another 100 days with you. If you have not done that, do it now. Clear the exam. so that your attention is not diverted. Rather than having negativity in you, just think, in this scenario, if you are a district collector, what service you can do to the people around you. And that should motivate you. When you hear a lot of governance issues, that should motivate you to become IAS and clear this exam. So guys, make best use of it. People normally say we do not have time to reach their dreams. Pandemic has given you time to deal with your dreams. Work on it and ensure you stay healthy, and also you are focused towards your goal. Most importantly guys, we at AKS firmly believe our students' health is extremely important. Before you write your exams, ensure you are vaccinated so that you have a strong feeling that you can survive and focus on your preparation. If people have to come out, study in hostels, study halls and all, then your immunity matters a lot and you should be ready for such exposure as well. So, we wish good health to all family members of all the students across. Behave positively, be positive and think positive. Ensure only corona is negative for you. I hope the session helps you in focusing on your goal. At last, the only way to clear this exam is to be as strong as possible. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.